Is it eggplant, brinjal, or aubergine, whatever you call it? I'm going to call it eggplant today. We're going to make this beautiful, simple eggplant pasta with fresh tomatoes. It's really, really simple. Now listen, get your pasta cooked. I'm using farfalle. Use any pasta you want because we're going to concentrate on the sauce. Get that pasta in at the end. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, we're going to go straight in on this one today. So we've got a pan here. I've got some oil in there. I'm using olive oil. I've got about 3 tablespoons there, 3 or 4 tablespoons. We've got 1 cup of onion. Let's get that in. I've got a couple of teaspoons of chopped garlic. While we're here, we can get some salt and some black pepper in the mix. Above medium heat. Let's just go for about 3 minutes. So just to give the onions and garlic a head start. Next up, the eggplant or aubergine. Cut it nice and small. I've got about 3 cups here. It's just kind of one regular size eggplant. And to that I'm going to add a few chili flakes. Optional. You don't have to put that in if you don't want. Or if you don't have chili flakes, you could put in some chili powder or cayenne pepper. Stay on this above medium heat for about 5 minutes or so. Stir often. So about 5 minutes in, cooking beautifully. We're now going to add 2 cups of fresh tomatoes. Got some black olives there, taking the stones out, just 3 or 4. I'm using a Kalamata olive. So that's 1 cup of onion, 2 cups of tomato, 3 cups of the eggplant or aubergine. We're going to keep going now for about another 3 minutes, again on this nice vibrant heat. So just enough time for some of those tomatoes to juice out a little bit with the heat. Now we're going to add our pasta. I'm using farfalle. You can use any pasta you want. I've got 3 cups of cooked pasta there. Very simply, let's just throw this around in the pan, staying on this nice high heat for about another 2 to 3 minutes. You've done it. Well done. And there you have it, really simple, really beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.